We're going to have our little conversation today on midlife. And today we're focusing on the hormone replacement patches.
Yeah.
And there's been a bit of a shortage with them.
Yeah, so we're hearing a little bit more about that. And it's not just a patch shortage now, but I have had calls about progesterone and actually vaginal estrogen as well. And so a lot of that, stems from, we are seeing that an uptick in prescribing because women are finally being recognized and our health is becoming more of a priority.
Right. Plus, the other thing is that for the longest time, there was a weird little study that said that hormone replacement could cause breast cancer. So they all had black boxes and medical professionals did not want to release them. But that has been debunked.
Yes. So about 25 to 27% of women were actually on hormone therapy before that study came out. And when that study came out, it dropped down below 5%. And that really has been where it's been for, 23 years.
Right. And now people like you really are trying to get the word out. The floodgates have opened, trying to get the word out of the benefits of adding estrogen back to your body. It's so important for women.
Yeah, it really is. And so now we're seeing still less than 6% of women on hormone therapy. But as
we're all just learning.
We're all just learning.
Yeah.
Yeah. And so now we're seeing more prescribing. Practitioners are becoming a lot more confident in prescribing. Women are asking for it when they need it for their symptoms.